What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, coming at you with another video today. It's been a minute since I made a video, and if you can't tell, I'm a little sick, just now getting over it. Kind of lost my voice there for a while, kind of put me out of the game for a minute. So I need to make a video, and I want to make a video. My wing came in Saturday, so we're gonna go ahead and try to take care of that today. I have absolutely nothing to do. I'm off work, so yeah, I want to add to the car, and you know, if you've subscribed already, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all continuing to watch, like, and comment. Like always, you can leave a comment, you can leave a like, and if this is your first time, see the thing down there, go smash the subscribe button below and keep updated on the car. I must also throw in, look at this shirt, man. It came in, it's got my logo on it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how well y'all can see it, but it looks great. All right, guys, jumping straight to it. Here's our wing. It looks great. Now, I do have to say there was two flaws on it. There was two holes kind of punched in it right here that were white. So I kind of just took what paint I had and touched it up. I will redo this with some better paint. But they actually sent 2 bags of bolts. Don't know why. I only need one. I think it was supposed to be tape they sent, but they sent 2 bags of bolts. Luckily, I have tape here. So we're going to go ahead and back the car up, turn it around so I can get some better lighting on the back end here so we can get this started. Let me show y'all something crazy about this. If I can flip this one hand here. Ooh, don't want to scratch it up. Okay. These two are good, right? Pretty sure they're good. Look at this. What the hell is that? Like, it's supposed to be there. Pegs here. Same on this side. It's supposed to be there, but the pegs there. So, we're gonna have to drill some extra holes regardless. But yeah, figured I should show you all that. All right, so I changed shirts so I didn't actually dirty up my new logo shirt here. But so now, the things you're going to need to actually take off your old RS lip spoiler, if you have one, you're actually going to need a 10mm socket and a socket wrench, some old fishing line just to get underneath there and pry it off, and probably some Goo Gone just to get some of the stickiness away from underneath there once it's off. See here, we got these caps covering up our bolts. Go ahead and start this one, pry it out. You got a bolt up in here, 10mm. So go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and take these off. There actually isn't one here. This one is put here for if you wanna add, like the wing I'm adding here, you can screw through and access it here. It's a little word of advice when you're taking these out. Once you get close to getting it off, lean your trunk down so it don't actually fall up in there. If it falls up in there, you're pretty much out of luck. There's no way getting that out, so you don't want that beating and rattling around. So as soon as this gets close to getting off, lean your trunk down so it'll come out. You're going to want to take this piece off here. This can simply be done just by pulling like that. Just pull these clips out. Alright, so actually probably one of the hardest parts to do is actually get your old spoiler off now that the bolts are undone. So we got some fishing line here. We're going to run it underneath and try to pry that bad boy off. Now the reason you had to take your liner off from inside your trunk is there's actually a clip in the middle that's attached to the spoiler. You want to push that in and have that pull out while you're pulling as well. So this is supposedly the hard part, so let's try to get it done. All right guys, it is off. It is clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, that's the part that sucks, is cleaning it. It took me about 2 hours to clean it and get all the sticky off. Mine had a black line right here that the old spoiler left from dirt buildup, and that took forever to get off, as well as around here, all the way around. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna have to get this stripe taken back to probably right here. On both sides, it'll cover these 2 holes and cover up that chip there from taking the spoiler off, and cover these up here. Some scratches from my old spoiler, cover those up. So, but yeah, the other one's ready to put on there. So we got it sitting up here, and I know I said the hardest part was cleaning, but the hardest part might actually be drilling the new holes because it didn't come with a template. So, probably gonna take this off and try to make my own template and go from there. All right, guys, so what I did is actually turn the wing upside down. I put some tracing paper lined up and taped them together, and I pressed the tracing paper onto the pegs, the screws, and then turned it over and evened it where these two back ones are in the holes. And now I'm taping down the paper, so when I pull the wing up, I know where to screw down, because like I said before, we did not get a template with this wing, and that makes it a little bit more difficult. So this is the way I thought about doing it, and hopefully this will work out. All right, here we go. This is very scary. Can't remember what size bit I got, but oh my gosh. Yeah, that's gonna take a minute. Let me show you how close we got here. That is, well, not close, how almost perfect we got. That is dead center, and that is dead center, and we can access those from here. I have the tape on here, and just for safety, I'm gonna put some goop around the edges just to make sure that this is watertight, because you don't want water getting into your trunk. So I'm going to spread some goop around these holes, and we're going to be good to go. All right, YouTube, so when I put the bolts on, I actually dabbed some goop on the bolts as well and screwed them down, and now you can see it is pretty much watertight as you got goop all the way around it. So should be good to go. All right, for the holes in the trunk, let me show y'all what I did. So a while back, I lost one of my engine bay clips, so I actually ordered some more, and I got a bunch of these sitting around. So I took the top piece out of 6 of these and painted them orange, and they are pretty flat. So they sit pretty flat against the trunk, so I think they're gonna look good. I'm gonna put some goop underneath here and hold these down, and I think we'll be good to go. So this will be a temporary fix until I can get the holes filled in, or the stripes covering some of the holes. All right, YouTube, it's time for some after shots.